Okay, still working on my shed. This is some design preferences for building your own recycled barn. Let me show you. As you know, I'm recycling this barn material to make my own smaller version of the barn, and I'm using this barn siding. So to make it weather resistant, I had to prime it and then paint it with 2 coats of paint. The trouble is that it loses a little bit of its character, like you see over here. So, for this section here, I'm going to leave it the natural wood. There's a couple of reasons where we can talk to you as one contractor to another. Now, you and I both know that when a contractor comes to your house, you tell him what you want to do, and then he's going to do what he's going to do anyway. He never really listens to you. Similarly, my thought for this side of the shed was a little bit different than the homeowner's wife, meaning mine. I thought that to save a little bit of money on this fairly expensive artificial stonework, this whole section here I would just leave as this, and then I would put a lean-to out the back to store some extra, garden supplies. Well, my wife hates the idea of adding a lean-to this structure. So I've decided to do something clever. Number one, I'm not going to tell her about it till it's too late. And if I refer to it in this video, I'm going to refer to it as the Inlay Ute. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, already I've had issues with my camera crew. Who thinks that a lean-to was some sort of brush.
That's what it is in books. You didn't even need to put that part in.
This is gonna, okay. It's gonna be an annex, okay? I'm working on the annex. And here's what's gonna happen here. See how I've got my pieces of board here? And I've gotten room for the expansion and contraction. This batten piece here is gonna fit in like so. And then I'm going to screw that in place. That will hold the wood in place. If any moisture should get in underneath the roof of the annex, it will be shed away, and we'll still have enough protection that we can show this character of wood and it won't wear out too much too early. Okay, let's see what happens.